Welcome you all in the illumination and electrification of building practical. Today we are going to see experiment number 4 and its title is Estimate and compare the luminous efficiency of incandescent lamp and compact fluorescent lamp, that is CFL. The prior concepts for these experiments are type of lamps, illumination level by different type of lamps. Proposition 1 is good illumination scheme. It should provide adequate illumination. Second one is it should provide uniform illumination on working plane. It should avoid glare and shadows as far as possible. It should have a good color rendering effect. Proposition number 2, luminous efficiency. So it should have a high efficient, therefore the users can use the fittings for any applications. Now for this experiment name as estimate and compare the luminous efficiency, we have to know the energy distribution from the incandescent lamp. The table shows or the tree diagram shows the energy distribution of incandescent lamp. It having input power and outputs. So out of input power, it convert visible radiation 10% for the utilization purpose. Beside this, it splits into non-radiative losses and radiations, that is 18% and 82% respectively. So out of 82% radiations, it splits into infrared radiation and visible radiations. So 72% are infrared radiation and 10% are visible radiations, where non-radiative losses known as power losses, it means consume losses or consume powers. So next one is energy distribution of CFL. So out of 100% input power, it converts 20%, 22% of visible radiations. In that, it splits into non-radiative losses and discharge radiations. Out of 60% discharge radiations, it converts or it splits into infrared radiation 36% and visible radiation 20%. So the power losses is 42%, which are from non-radiative losses. By comparing these two energy distributions of both lamp, it is stated that the visible radiations from the CFLs are more than the incandescent lamp. Also, it consumes less power than the incandescent lamp. So let us start with the learning objective. Understand the requirement of good illumination scheme. Understand the comparison between incandescent and compact fluorescent lamp with respect to life, lumen diffraction, spectrum of color, rendering and cost. Motor skill or performance skill, ability to connect the equipment as per circuit diagram and handle the instrument. Ability to observe and record luminous flux. These are the list or apparatus required for conduction of experiment, and the equipments are lux meter, incandescent lamp, CFL, auto transformer, watt meter. The similar connections arrangements are again we use over here, which is used in the experiment of experiment number 2. So continuing with this experiment number 2, we take a reading for the incandescent lamp. Here we kept lux meter light sensors 1 meter away from the incandescent lamp, and it measures 202 lux level of illumination for the incandescent lamp. And for CFL, we kept the lux meter on the table 1 meter away from the CFL, and it gives readings 63 level of illumination. Now the observation table. Here the incandescent lamp consumes 60 watt power and gives lumens that 202 lux level, and its efficiency is 3.36 lumens per watt. The second one is for CFL. Here we using 9 watt CFL lamp, means it consumes 9 watt and it gives 63 lux output. Its efficiency is 7 lumens per watt. Now the formula for finding the luminous efficiency is on the basis which are state on the next table, that is luminous efficiency equals to luminous flux divided by input power. The input power means the power which is consumed by the light fittings, so its unit is lumens per watt. So according to this this formula, here we find out the efficiency of each lamp. So conducting this experiment, we can select the luminaries or lamps on the basis of luminous efficiency for the applications. Means we can use or we can select the lamp as the highest efficiency, therefore it consumes less power as well as input power, as well as it gives highest lux level of illumination. So the illumination scheme, it may be economical as well as good color rendering effect, as well as good illumination impact on the working plane. Thank you.